Specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity is basically the amount of heat energy. It is the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. So in physics, wherever the word specific comes, it means 1 kg. So specific means 1 kg. Alright. So it is the amount of heat energy which is required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. For example, if we take 1 kg of water, and if we measure its temperature, let's suppose the temperature is 44 degrees Celsius. So if we measure the temperature of water, let's suppose the temperature is 44 degrees Celsius. Now we start providing it heat, and we note the temperature, and it becomes 45 degrees Celsius. So whatever the heat energy which it has consumed to rise the temperature from 44 to 45, that heat energy is basically its specific heat capacity. Alright, so the formula of specific heat capacity is E is equals to mc delta theta, where E represents heat energy, where E represents heat or thermal energy. Thermal energy, which is measured in joules. M represents mass, which is measured in kgs. C represents specific heat capacity. Small c, it represents specific heat capacity. Whereas delta theta represents change in temperature. This triangle over here, it means delta. Triangle represents delta. Delta means change. It is used to represent change. So delta theta means change in temperature. So this represents change in temperature. Alright. Okay. So the change in temperature is measured in degree Celsius, whereas the SI unit for specific heat capacity, is joule per kg per degree Celsius. Alright. So if we need to find specific heat capacity in any question, so we need to make C the subject of the expression. So we have E is equals to mc delta theta. Okay, so if we need to find C, so here m mass and delta theta are both being multiplied by C. So when they go to other side, they will be divided. So this would be m delta theta. Alright, so now if you forget the SI unit of specific heat capacity, so we can derive the SI unit in this way as well. So energy is measured in joules, energy is measured in joules, mass is measured in kgs, and change in temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. So the SI unit for specific heat capacity would be joule per kg per degree Celsius.